Hi sweet loves, I am Simply Jordan and welcome to this video. Today I'm not doing an official intro. Why? Because I'm finally doing my review for the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. Yes, finally doing it. I've had it for a while and I've got time today to sit and really play with her. So let's take a look, shall we? Let's see. Oh, good morning, sweet love. Hello. I have no idea what I'm gonna do yet, but I know I'm gonna have a lot of fun playing with her. Like, look at these purples, and you got your orange and pinks. And I'm glad she has some still neutral colors, you know, for like transitions and that kind of thing. I'm excited. I'm excited for her. So let's take a gander and see what we can come up with. I already did my eyebrows off of camera. This is probably just gonna be a Morphe look because I have a lot of Morphe, so I might as well just put them all together. For my brows, I use their brow cream. It's kind of like a pomade in the color Java. There she is. And I like their brow creams a lot because it is definitely a cream. They're not as firm and I feel like they don't dry down super easy. Either way, I'll do a review and a brow tutorial in another video. But let's get into the star of today's show, Miss Jaclyn Hill Volume 2. All right, so off camera, I primed my eyes. This is a Morphe concealer. This is in the shade 3.35, and I just use that as a base. It's a lighter color and it's really tacky, not super tacky, but tacky enough to where the colors will have something to hold on to. And because it's a lot of pigmentation, I really want all the colors that I use today to show up. I think I'm really liking these kind of burgundy colors down at the bottom. This one is called Oh Hello. That's really cute. And then this one is called Crazy. I think I'm gonna go in with Oh Hello. It's not as deep as Crazy, but I think I'm gonna start that. I'm gonna blend that into my crease. And what I'm gonna do that with, this is of course again a Morphe, a M505 kind of medium S blending brush. So I'm gonna tap right into Oh Hello. Just kind of tap my brush in it like that. Not a lot of fallout. I'm totally fine with that if it does. But I definitely like this color. It looks really pretty. I'm just gonna take that and sit it right. I'm tapping first to get that initial color down. Tapping that. Right into that outer crease first. Yeah, I really like that color. Kind of just tapping all around into that crease first. Because I don't want it to be super, super blunt or it's like full on color. Otherwise, I would use a smaller brush. I'm just gonna take that and blend that into my crease. Yeah, I like that a lot. That's really, really pretty. It's like a pinkish burgundy. It's not super red, and it is because I'm not using a super stiff packing brush. But it's still a deep reddish, pinkish burgundy, which I like. So I have Oh Hello down. I like it. It's more of a pinkish burgundy than a true red. I think if I went in with Crazy, it would have been more of a deep red, but I think I'm actually at that now to my outer lid, like this outer maybe fourth or third, and then bring that a little bit into my crease. So what I'm gonna use for that is the Morphe 503 brush. It's a little smaller than the 505 I think I just used. Yes, the 505. I can still pack it a good amount for color onto that outer side and then blend it into my crease a little bit. So that's what I'm gonna do now. So I'm gonna take a little bit of Crazy, which is more of that deeper burgundy, pack that onto my outer lid out this way, and then a little bit into my crease. So let's see what that looks like. Again, this is a Morphe 503 brush. Just really packing that onto that brush. Yeah, that's definitely a true burgundy. take that up into my crease just a little bit, just on this outer corner. And just really pack that on. This one has a bit more kickback though, and maybe how I'm tapping into it, I don't know. Like I said, I don't mind some fallout as long as the pigmentation shows up good, and it does, so. I think now, I don't know if I want to go into Dance Party, which is kind of a, I would say like a berry pink with very slight pinkish shimmer to it, or hop right into Tipsy Girl, which is a pretty much neon bright pink. I think, you know what, I'm just gonna go straight into Tipsy Girl, and I'm gonna blend those two colors together. Ooh, what I may do is take Tipsy Girl and put it kind of in the middle, and then I can use Dance Party if I need to and just blend the two colors together. But either way, Tipsy Girl is going on my eye right now. And I am going to use, what do I want to use? I'm just going to use a Morphe shadow brush. I got it in a set like forever ago for my birthday. And yeah, I think I'm gonna just use that to blend Tipsy Girl, well, to pack and to blend Tipsy Girl on my lid and into Crazy. Let's see how this turns out. Oh, hello, pink. I'm gonna bring that right up to that color we put on our crease. That is so pink. I love it. I love that so much. I'm just gonna tap and bring it up, because I didn't really want to do a cut crease. So I'm just gonna pack that color. Look how pink that is. Now, I'm gonna take, because not a lot left on the brush, I'm gonna take that and kind of overlap it onto Crazy to kind of blend those two together. I may go back into Crazy to intensify that burgundy a little more, but first I want to pack on Tipsy Girl. All right, so right now I have on my lid, Oh Hello, blended into my crease. I have Crazy packed kind of out into that outer V section and a little bit onto my crease, a little bit underneath. And then I have Tipsy Girl, which is this bright neon pink, packed right into my lid. I see it's a little patchy right here over my eye. That could be the concealer, I don't know. But I'm gonna just take a little bit of that and see if I can pack that on there, kind of fill that in a little bit. Okay, that's a little better. Okay, now I'm gonna take this color called My Man, which is a pretty bright orange. And I'm gonna pack that in that inner third of my eye. That same brush, I've cleaned it off. I'm gonna take that and see how it blends with Tipsy Girl, which is that bright neon pink. This is such a pretty orange. Oh my goodness. And I actually kind of like how that's laying next to Tipsy Girl. Yeah, I like that a lot. What I'll probably do once I get this color sat down and to the like full pigmentation that I want, I'll probably go in with a slightly more detailed brush and like really get that shape I want in that inner corner. But let me first get the color down and pack it how I want to, and then I'll get more detailed with a different brush. The shadow packing brush, the more detailed one that I'm gonna go into now, is an M167 brush to really get a cleaner packing color right in that inner corner. So I'm going back into My Man. I'm just really gonna tap and shape that inner corner. She real bright. All right, now that I have the eyeshadow down to pretty much how I want it, I got the bright neon colors in the center and the darker kind of smoked out vibe towards the end. I'm gonna take the NYX Epic Ink Liner in black and just create a wing. So when I went to the Morphe store, I did grab 2 pairs of lashes. I have this style Glambassador, which to me are real cute, really full, kind of different, almost kind of spiked, but not extremely spiked. Those are real cute. And then I got the style Hot Stuff, which is definitely really full. And then they have kind of sporadic, longer hairs towards the end. I'm not sure which one I want to use. I'm actually going to go with Hot Stuff because these are not like any lashes, at least that I know that I've worn before. So I'm gonna give these a try and see how it looks with this look. Okay, so lashes are on, eyeshadow is done. I think I'm gonna go do the rest of my face off of camera, come back, talk to you guys, and finish this video off. All right, sweet love, so this is the finished look. On my face, I have the Morphe Fluidity foundation and concealer. This is their highlight and their liquid lip in True Story. I'll leave all the details down in the description of the finished face. But let's talk about the star of today's show, Jaclyn Hill Volume 2. And a quick shout out to my ring lights. Anyway, I have Jaclyn Hill's first palette with Morphe, and it's absolutely amazing. I would say it's more on the beginner friendly side. I'll leave a picture of it right here. It has more of your neutral colors. It has a beautiful chocolate brown, a burgundy. You have the blue and the purple and the teal just to add a little extra flair. But overall, it's a gorgeous, gorgeous palette. It was a vegan formula. Emphasis on was. The color payoff, the pigmentation, the consistency was so smooth, really blendable. It's definitely one of my favorite palettes for certain looks. But the thing about it is that this was supposed to be the same formula as the original one. However, it did come out that Morphe changed the formula from vegan to non-vegan, and they didn't tell Jackie about it. So there's that. I can tell the difference between the first original formula and this one. That first one was custom made by Jackie. I don't think any other palette from Morphe has that formula. And it, of course, is supposed to be in Volume 2. It's her palette. I can definitely tell the difference. Not that anything is wrong with this one. Love it. If I can open it, that'd be great. Love it. Gonna use it again. I added this yellow and No Joke in my inner corner. And I took Crazy and smudged that out along my lower lash line. But this is a really great palette. It's really beautiful. Can't wait to dip into these purples. I want to do a smoky eye with these burgundies. It's a really great palette. I can just tell the difference in the formula between this one and the original palette that I have. But overall, both are great. I prefer the formula to the first one. It's just, to me, a little smoother. But overall, both are really great. Going to use this again. Going to be really perfect for spring and summer. But that's pretty much my thoughts on it. If you saw any colors in the palette that you want me to try, I could definitely do that. If you have the first palette and you want me to do some fun stuff with that one, definitely let me know. Let me know your thoughts about the whole Morphe Jaclyn Hill situation. If you have this palette and you want some other stuff, some other looks that you want me to try, just let me know. But that's it for me. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, share the video. Let me know what else you want to see from me. I will be doing covers on here soon, so let me know if you have any particular favorite songs you may want to hear me sing. And that's pretty much that. So thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye.